Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Clubs. Here in this video we are going to discuss about some of the top 5 mistakes that newbies in stock market investors and traders do, and if they have also a proper knowledge of minimum basic knowledge but they also end up at a loss. So here are the top 5 mistakes that you should have to avoid in your beginning stage and at a learning stage of your improving stage. So the first one I suggest you to don't do the mistake is having no plan. As I said in our previous video, stock market tips, this is also another one biggest thing that most common investors and traders who are new to the stock markets do. They always want to earn more money and they always learn and they learn more strategies, but they don't have a certain plan and they end up losing their total money in their portfolio. So just make a plan and go with it. So uh, and also if someone is making with money with a plan of a strategy, you should not have to go with the same plan or strategy if it is not working with you. You should have to experience it, you should have to try different, and you should have to check the accuracy of what you are trading good at, what are you good at. So that's how you can make money in stock market. So you should have to maintain a plan. So having no plan leads to blowing your account. So just maintain a plan. This is the first tip I want to give you. This is the first mistake you should have to avoid of not having a plan. And the second mistake the newbies do is only investing in high performing securities or stocks. um, Whenever an investor comes to the stock market, he want to enter in a stage where it already break out and maybe going to be a reversal. So they just enter in the trend. So then what happens, it goes to a reversal or a pullback. So the newbie is afraid and he think he is in loss and that going to blow up his account, so he sells it and then it falls or just reversal and go back. So just don't go with only high performing ones. Just go with the penny stocks or small mid cap, uh, small cap. These are also good. You can also see that you can get share price from 100 to 200. You can also get from 2000 to 3000. You can also get from 10 to 5 rupees also. So invest in the good potential stocks where you can get a good return on investment ratio at the end of the year or end of the month. So that's how you make money over stock market. So just go with just invest, and also there is a quotation given by Warren Buffett that don't put all your eggs in one basket. So just don't invest total amount of your portfolio into only one stock or security. Just um give it some portions to different stocks, so that how you cannot blow up your account and you can maintain a good, um you can modify or you can later buy and sell, or you can adjust the stocks you have bought. So that's how you can make a good profit. So don't invest in only higher performing securities. This is also one of the first mistake the newbies and also the who learn, also the uh, newbies and the first learners who come make without experience do the mistake. So just avoid it. Just don't put all eggs in one basket. And the third mistake that newbies and investors who do is investing like gambling. So as I said earlier, don't put all eggs in one basket. So these are the people who comes next and always they do gambling, like putting all their in different one without knowing what the stock is going to do in the next few days or next several months. So they just trade or invest like gambling. So by not knowing what to do or uh, what strategy, or without having a plan, they do like gambling, and at the end of the day or end of the month or end of the year, they end up just blowing up account as usual. So just don't invest like gambling. Know the minimum knowledge and and uh, and be good at it. So just focus on it. Focus on it only one thing: technical analysis or fundamental or price action. So by sticking to one plan you can make some good amount of money. And the fourth one the traders and investors who comes first to trading always makes this is the biggest mistake I know, since the new traders always make is over trading. Like people I have seen from so many days that uh, they come over stock market and they do trade. Whenever they are in profits, they over trade it again and again without seeing any opportunity in it, and end up in loss. When they are first in profit, at the end of the day they are in loss, and next day if they are first started with the loss, they feel like I have to recover it, and make some good profit over today, and they want to become rich overnight. So they do over trade, and day and day, by the charges only the account will be blown up, and they end up with zero in their account statement. So don't over trade. Whenever your strategy works, just leave it and take a rest and just enjoy the day. And next day if a loss hits, then take a rest and then check what the mistake was happened. And if the mistake always continues, don't think that you will always be profitable in it. So you won't be always right in it. So just accept your loss and profit as usual. So the over trading, don't just make some over trading and just blown up your account. If a day you get a 5% loss of your investment, then just don't over trade in it trading. According to investing, when investing like swing trading or short term, you will have a greatest risk reward ratio, and the calls you should have a great strategy, one strategy that you always follow. You will be end up 95% profitable if you follow one plan strategy in swing and short term. So just don't over trade it. Just accept it and learn it from the trade you have traded over the day. And the third mistake the newbies traders and investors do is getting greedy. Like as all I said, if a person has a good plan, he always investing in different one things, and he doesn't invest like gambling, he doesn't over trade. But the thing is, whenever he is trading in an actual position, he have a plan, but whenever he sees profit and loss, the green and red numbers will manipulate his mind, and he becomes greedy. And whenever the target hits, he also thinks that he is going to get more and more, but whenever it reaches to stop loss, he doesn't think that it will stop loss, it is gonna retracement. So he's get greedy and greedy, and the mindset will be changing totally, and the lessons he learned will be forgotten. And at the end of the day, he will be in loss, and he thinks that why did I did mistake. And the next day he always thinks, he always does that same things a little bit, not much but a little bit. But you should have to realize you are in greedy, so you shouldn't focus on money, just focus on the trades. If you make good trades, then money will automatically come. So just make good trades and don't get being greedy. So these are the top 5 mistakes that newbies investors and traders do. So just don't do these things. You could be in good profit uh, to your and also you can get good return on investment. So this is the today video, guys. If you like it, please um, like it, and if you want anything, just comment and share it with your friends and families who are interested in stock market. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you. See you in the next videos. Keep trading and investing.